Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by removing dirt that hides scratches, wash with pH-neutral soap, and dry thoroughly. Once done, inspect under direct light and mark affected areas with tape so you know what to fix. Make sure to tape nearby trim to avoid accidental polish. Next, choose a mild rubbing compound and test it on a small 1-inch patch to confirm paint compatibility. This prevents damage. You should be ready to proceed once the test shows improvement without paint loss. Now you perform corrective polishing. Use a medium-cut foam pad or light microabrasive pad. If using a dual-action polisher, set speed between 1,200 and 1,800 RPM. Apply a coin-size amount of compound, spread it first, then engage the pad. Work in 2x2-inch sections with overlapping passes. Keep constant movement to avoid heat buildup. Make several short passes, then stop and wipe the residue with a clean microfiber. Inspect the area, repeat if the scratch. Finish the repair with a fine polish to refine the surface and restore gloss. This removes micro-marring left by the compound. Once the shine is restored, apply a paint sealant or carnauba wax for protection and buff it off with a fresh microfiber towel. Make sure to allow sealant to cure per instructions for maximum durability. If you notice haze, persistent swirl marks, or the scratch looks deeper after polishing, switch to a finer pad and polish again. This troubleshooting step corrects overcut or heat haze.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.